Hey guys, Kyle with Pinnacle West here. We're just going to do a quick unboxing video on this part number 25P704. This kit here is a ProConnect Retrofit Kit. So you can take your AP handle and you can slide this new PC fluid head on. We have a manual, some instructions on how to do the conversion kit. And then inside the kit here, it's going to include a tube of grease. It's going to include the PC test kit. It's going to include an air cap, the fluid head itself, and then it's also going to come with 3 PC cartridges to replace. Now you can also order this kit with chambers. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'll be happy to give you a hand. Bye for now.